Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the console and putting the controller in a ready state. This reduces pairing errors. Make sure the console has current firmware so Bluetooth or Xbox wireless works reliably. Insert fresh batteries or charge the controller to at least 50% to avoid mid-setup shutdowns. If you plan to use a wired or adapter connection, plug the USB cable into the controller and console now. Once done, move directly to pairing so the device window stays active. Next, pair the controller. This is where the connection is made. For wireless, press the console sync button, then hold the controller's sync until the Xbox button flashes, indicating discovery. For USB, plug both ends and let the console install drivers automatically. This is faster and bypasses radio issues. When the controller appears on screen, select or assign your profile so Saves and Preferences link. Make sure to wait until the Xbox button stays solid. That confirms the connection. Finally, verify the connection by navigating the home screen and launching a quick game to test buttons and sticks. If inputs lag or disconnect, restart the controller by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds, then press it again. Reboot the console if problems persist. Make sure firmware is up to date and swap the USB cable or try the wireless adapter to isolate hardware faults. If nothing works, reset networking settings or replace batteries. These steps resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.